My name is Nicole Griffard, and I am in our estate planning group here at Robinson and Henry. So the things that usually fall under estate planning are exactly what you would think, right? Making plans for your estate. So whether that's a trust or a will, putting something into place so that upon your passing, everything you've worked for during your lifetime is distributed in the manner in which you want, but not just planning for, when you pass, but also planning and putting into place things that may be needed in the event you become incapacitated. Basically getting everything in order to alleviate that concern and stress from your family members who are basically going to be left kind of dealing with the things in the aftermath. So before moving into estate planning, I was actually a litigator, litigated in the civil area, whether it was real estate litigation or, big commercial litigation. I've dabbled in a little bit of all of that. Really though, as you grow, not just as an attorney, but as a person, things in your personal life kind of guide you in different directions. And so things that, I saw happening with relatives near and dear to me, I guess really drew my attention back to the importance of estate planning and being able to kind of help clients in a more immediate way. I think the way that I've always approached clients, whether I was litigating or whether I'm dealing with estate planning matters, is to try and meet them where they are. Obviously, this is, it's a sensitive subject. Nobody wants to think about their mortality, but it's a reality and it's something we need to plan for. And some people come in and they know exactly what they want. For other clients, it's more of a, well, what do I need? Why do I need this? How does this work? What does it look like? So really kind of focusing on what it is the client wants and what their situation or their setup looks like now, I think are the first kind of steps really to establishing what that client's going to need with respect to an estate plan. I think what I like most about estate planning is that I feel as though I'm helping clients in an immediate way, right? And I know that these documents and plans aren't going to come into effect in some instances for a very long time, but being able to provide that immediate kind of peace of mind to a client has really been something that I've enjoyed about this practice.